So we're looking at a visualization of the data of unemployment statistics broken out into men and women. Men are in blue and women are in the orange. But we're interested in highlighting or really focusing on each group separately. So how do I do that? What I do is I go to the key and I click the down arrow and click on highlight selected items. And now when I click on men, the men are highlighted and the women are grayed out. And when I click on women, the women become highlighted and the men are grayed out. Let's try something else. Let's try pulling age into shapes. Now we have a different shape for every age category. There's 7 categories, and we want to do the same kind of highlighting. So we're going to pull age down here, the key. We're going to click on highlight selected items. Now when I click on the 25 through 34 age group, those are highlighted. 45 to 54. Now we're going to look at 65 and over. Those are going to be low unemployment numbers. Very good. It really makes it clear what's happening with the different age groups. Now if I change the analysis to a line graph, this is giving us a lot of data, but it's very difficult to read. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this to an area chart, and I'm going to pull out the gender and put age into the color. We're getting a lot of very sharp lines. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up to analysis and click aggregate. It's much better. So now we have a very clear visualization of each of the 7 categories and what's happening. So here we have the 25 through 34, and we have 1,564,000 unemployed. And here, the 45 through 54, we have 1,554,000 unemployed. And we can select any age group, and it's highlighted. So it's makes it very easy to get a good, clear idea of what's happening with each different group. And this is 65 and old and under, and it's very clear what's happening. This is the 16 through 19 group. So it's just amazing the kind of clarity you can get with the Tableau charts.